Hawaii is a unique and vibrant island state located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Known for its lush landscapes, volcanic mountains, and rich biodiversity, it is the only U.S. state made up entirely of islands. The people of Hawaii, or Kanaka-iwi, Native Hawaiians, have a deep cultural connection to the land, ʻāina, and sea, kai. Hawaii's population today is diverse, blending Native Hawaiian traditions with influences from Polynesian, Asian, and Western cultures. This mix has created a distinct local identity rooted in aloha, a spirit of love, respect, and community. Welcome to Wildlife Across Hawaii. Hawaii is especially known for its unique native bird species, though many are now endangered or extinct. Forest birds, honeycreepers, iiwi, Draponus coccinea, bright red with a curved bill. Apapane, Himation sanguinea, Amakihi, Chlorodroponus spp. Akakiki, Akaka, and Puaiohi, extremely rare and found only in Kauai. In addition to birds, Hawaii has waterbirds. Some are endangered. Nēnē, Hawaiian goose, state bird. The Nēnē, or Hawaiian goose, is the state bird of Hawaii and is found nowhere else in the world. It evolved from the Canada goose but adapted to life on the islands, with shorter wings and feet suited for walking on rugged lava flows. Nēnē are mostly land-dwelling and feed on native plants and grasses. Once nearly extinct, conservation efforts have helped their numbers recover, though they remain a protected and threatened species. The Nēnē is a symbol of resilience and an important part of Hawaii's natural and cultural heritage. The remaining waterbirds are Hawaiian coot, Alai keokeo, Hawaiian stilt, Io, Hawaiian duck, Koloa maoli. Native mammals. There are only two native mammals, Hawaiian hoary bat, Opeapea, the only native land mammal. Hawaiian monk seal, an endangered seal found only in Hawaiian waters. The Hawaiian monk seal is one of the rarest seal species in the world and is found only in the Hawaiian Islands. Known in Hawaiian as Iliōholoikauaua, meaning dog that runs in rough water, this endangered marine mammal spends much of its time swimming in coastal waters or resting on remote beaches. Monk seals can live up to 30 years and feed on fish, octopus, and crustaceans. Their population is still fragile due to threats like habitat loss, entanglement in debris, and human disturbance, making them a protected species and a symbol of Hawaii's efforts to preserve native wildlife. Native reptiles and amphibians. None are native to Hawaii. All reptiles and amphibians were introduced by humans, like koki frogs and geckos. Native marine life. Hawaii has a rich variety of native fish and marine invertebrates, especially around coral reefs. Hawaiian cleaner wrasse, Humuhumu nukunukuapua'a, the reef triggerfish, also a state fish. Green sea turtle, Honu, native, though also found elsewhere. Hawaiian spinner dolphin, various species of coral, sea urchins, and crustaceans. Hawaii has many insects and invertebrates. Hawaii has thousands of native insect species, many endemic. Kamehameha butterfly, one of two native butterflies. Happy face spider, known for its distinctive markings. Drosophila fruit flies, hundreds of endemic species used in genetics research. Hawaii is one of the few places in the world with no native snake species, thanks to its remote island location. This has helped protect the island's delicate ecosystems, especially native birds that nest on the ground and would be vulnerable to snake predation. Because snakes pose a serious threat to wildlife and agriculture, it is illegal to own or bring snakes into Hawaii. Occasionally, snakes are found after being smuggled in or accidentally transported, but the state responds quickly to remove them and maintain Hawaii's snake-free status. Fun fact not related to animals but also not found like snakes is gambling. Hawaii does not allow gambling of any kind, no casinos, no lotteries, no sports betting, making it one of only 2 U.S. states, along with Utah, with a complete ban. This is largely due to a combination of cultural values, political concerns, and economic priorities. Many leaders and residents believe gambling could harm the state's close-knit communities by increasing crime, addiction, and financial hardship. Additionally, Hawaii's economy already relies heavily on tourism, and lawmakers often argue that the risks of introducing gambling outweigh the potential revenue. The focus instead is on preserving the state's natural beauty, cultural heritage, and community well-being. Luaus are traditional Hawaiian feasts that celebrate community, family, and special occasions with food, music, and hula. The word, luau, originally referred to a dish made with taro leaves and chicken or octopus, but over time came to describe the entire celebration. Historically, these feasts were part of Hawaiian religious and social customs. Before 1819, men and women ate separately due to kapu, sacred laws, and commoners could not eat certain foods. This changed when King Kamehameha II abolished the kapu system by eating with women in a symbolic act of unity. This marked the beginning of the modern luau. Luaus became large gatherings featuring foods like poi, roasted pig, kalua pig, taro, and coconut-based desserts, along with traditional Hawaiian chants, hula dancing, and storytelling. Today, luaus are still held for birthdays, graduations, weddings, and tourist events, helping keep Hawaiian culture alive and shared.